Okay, I want to show you guys a cool invention I made. I was having problems with my relatively small size apartment actually getting cold. So what I did here is I got a box fan, a plastic shopping bag, and a roll of tape. All the supplies that you regular roll of tape, a shopping bag. I mean, the air coming out of there is ice cold. Now, what I did is I took a shopping bag and I put a hole in it. Because the problem I was having is a lot of the air that was blowing out was coming right back in. Everything's blowing out of this. The camera still. Everything's blowing out of this hole right here. I take the fan, put it just like this, right up on there, and use a bug so you don't get any of that air back in the fan. It blows that ice cold, holding right at 69 degrees.